If I had to summarize what mobile is today, I'd probably say it's a remote control for the Internet of Things and wearable technology. And Steve Jobs made this great Macworld keynote presentation in 2001, where he declared that the desktop would become the digital hub, effectively the center for digital lifestyle in the 21st centuries. Now, obviously today, the mobile is becoming the center of the digital lifestyle. And instead of connecting to MP3 players or PDA or your digital camera, which they've all become the mobile now, you now connect to your bathroom scales, to your fitness bracelet, to your home thermostats, or indeed your dog collars. There are new types of products out there which are called accessories. They're effectively accessories that you control through an app installed on your smartphones. This means that now I've got new ways to connect with my surroundings, which are great opportunities for marketers to effectively create new type of experiences by merging the physical and the digital together. You can actually augment yourself now. Google Glass, for instance, there's an app that has been built where I can actually ghost race myself. So what I do is I run around Hyde Park, for instance. The next time I'm running, I can wear those glasses and actually see where I was running the previous time. Another interesting way to augment yourself with a smartphone is using this robot, which is called Double Robotics. And effectively, it's like a Segway with a post, and on top of the post is an iPad. And what you can do with that is effectively take your smartphones, Skype onto it, and then you can teleport yourself into a room and you can start to go around the space, and it feels like you're physically there. So you can go and approach people, you can have conversations, and you can just roam around the space wherever you are in the world. Over 150 years ago, Samuel Butler wrote an open letter called Darwin Among the Machines. And in trying to describe how a machine would evolve, he wrote, "What sort of creatures man's next successors in the supremacy of the earth is likely to be? We have often heard this debated, but it appears to us that we are ourselves creating our own successors. We are daily adding to the beauty and delicacy of their physical organization. We are daily giving them greater power and supplying by all sorts of ingenious contrivances that self-regulating, self-acting power which will be to them what intellect has been to the human race." In a way, what Samuel Butler is describing is the smartphones. It's actually sharing 3 of our 5 senses. It can see through cameras, it can hear through microphones, and it can feel through touches and gyros. But interestingly, the smartphone has more senses than we do. For instance, the GPS. You can drop a mobile phone anywhere in the world. As long as it's got battery, it can locate itself quite precisely. That's not something we can do. Last year, Apple made a very important announcement for marketeers by launching the iBeacon. This is effectively a bit like GPS, but for indoor location. This unlocks new types of location-based marketing opportunities where you can detect when someone comes into your store, for instance, or your retail. And you can provide a discount, for instance, or you can help them localize themselves within the shop, or you can indeed use it for contactless payment. This augmentation paradigm can actually work for brands too. And a simple way to do that is for brands to look at the existing product and services and look at using technology to augment those. So for instance, if you take Nike, a few years ago they took their shoe, their sneakers, and they added technology in it, and that just opened a whole new ecosystems for them and a new raft of services that they can actually even sell. Another great example is Domino's Pizza. You know, in the past, if you wanted to order Domino's Pizza, it was a couple of minutes interaction over the phone, usually quite unpleasant, where now you can actually order online. But the thing is, once you've placed your order, there's a link there that says track your order. And when you do that, you have a tracker that shows you 5 steps from order all the way to delivery. And it's amazing how people use these now to really look at when things will come. And it's opening a whole new windows of opportunity for Domino's to promote, push some activities through that page. And now instead of interacting with the brand for 2 minutes, I interact with the brand for 20 minutes. There are many new ways to leverage mobile technologies today, whether it's as a remote control for the Internet of Things or wearable technologies, iBeacon, which unlocks many new types of location-based marketing. But the biggest opportunity is to augment brand like we've never done before.